Bahubali movie cast and their remuneration Part 1. Anushka Shetty as Devasena 5 crores. Rana as Ballala Deva 15 crores. Tamanna as Avantika 2 crores. Ramya Krishna as Sivagami 3 crores. Satyam Raj as Kattappa 1 crore. Nazar as Bichala Deva 60 lakhs. Rajamouli as a director 25 crores. V. Vijayendra Prasad as a story writer 5 crores. Prabhas as a Shiva and Bahubali 50 crores. This only for Bahubali